If you're experiencing issues with voice chat in The Sims 4, this guide will help you troubleshoot and configure the settings to get it working properly. Follow these steps to resolve the problem. Step 1. Check Game Settings. Navigate to the Game Settings menu and ensure that the voice chat feature is enabled. Look for the audio settings and verify that the voice chat option is turned on. Step 2. Update your game. Make sure that The Sims 4 is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates through a game launcher and install them, as updates often fix bugs and improve functionality. Step 3. Verify audio device settings. Ensure that your microphone and speakers are properly connected and set as the default audio devices on your computer. Go to your system sound settings to check and adjust the input and output devices. Step 4. Adjusting game audio levels. While in the game, access the audio settings and adjust the volume levels for voice chat. Sometimes, the volume may be too low, making it seem like the voice chat is not working. Step 5. Restart the game and system. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, try restarting The Sims 4 in your computer. This can help reset any temporary glitches that may be affecting the voice chat functionality. By following these steps, you should be able to configure and troubleshoot the voice chat feature in The Sims 4. If problems persist, consider checking online forums or the official support page for additional assistance.